part 3 of the chair. So first off, let's make sure over here, what do I got? I got a back leg, I got a side rail, I got a cross rail, and I'm going to rename this run right now so I don't mess up and call it front leg. Okay, so now we have our front leg. So let's assemble. If I just scroll in here, we're going to put this bottom rail, side rail to that back leg, and then we're going to put the front leg to the right spot as well. Okay, so we're going to start off with, this is our top one. If I click on it once or click here, right, you can see it highlight, so I know which one I'm grabbing. I'm going to go joint, and I'm going to take the back of this one. Basically, I'm going to scroll in here, and I'm going to pick the lower center. And from there, I'm going to come over here and zoom in, and I'm going to grab this face, center. The rail moves in, and I'm going to move it up 2.5 inches. So I'm actually going to slide it up because it works. There we go. Slide it in place and click on OK. Now that that one's done, let's put the front leg. So I'm going to click on it, make sure I got the front leg, and I'm going to do a joint, and I'm going to join this edge right here. So the end of it, that bottom one, okay, and along with this. Now, which one am I going to do? I'm going to kind of make this easy. I'm going to flip around here, and I'm going to grab this and grab. Now, here's the problem. You see how that slid that way? It messes us up in how we're doing things. This is a good learning thing here. So I'm going to cancel, and I'm actually going to redo it. And this time, I'm going to grab the leg first and bring it over to the rail. So do a joint, and I'm going to take a face of one of these. So I'm going to take this face, that one there. Okay, and I'll make sure, did I get the center? Yes, I did. And I'm going to move it over here and scroll, go in, and I'm going to take it and put it to this position here. Now it comes there. Now you see how it's upside down, which means I got to do some math here and move it, right? So again, hit escape. And one last time is I'm going to take this side over here because when I rotate it, it'll fit in place. So a joint, I'm going to spin around. I'm going to grab this one this time and spin back around. Whoops, I just got messed up here. Oh, I'm really messed up, so I'm just going to hit home and zoom here, and it's going to come up to this one, and again, put it right there. It comes in the right way this time, and I'm going to slide it down 2.5. Now you see it went up. I got to go negative 2.5. There we go, and click on OK. Now that I've got this, my next step is I'm going to copy this one. So I come up to the side rail, right mouse click, I go copy, right, click somewhere else, right mouse click, paste, and I'm going to move this one just up. And how far am I moving it up? Doesn't really matter right now because what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it off to the side, click on OK, and then I'm going to join it. So I'm now going to join this top edge right there to this top center edge right there, and it'll slide into place. And click on OK. So there we go. We have a half drawn, and I'm just going to get rid of this canvas here because we don't need to see it right now. We have one more cross rail to go, and we'll talk about that in the next tutorial.